In the depths of the forest a hunter did roam, when he stumbled upon a child all alone. Little bird perched high in an oak tree, lost and afraid, looking for love and help. With a kind heart the hunter took her in, loved her as his own from the start to the end. Rosy, the hunter's child, instantly smitten upon, grew between them stronger than raven. They laughed, they played, they sang through the night, little bird and Rosy together, what a sight! Through anything what come in the life, sibling love and loyalty forever they'd stay. Sailing love and loyalty forever they'd stay. The cook, oh alas, he was jealous of them, and would destroy them and leave no trace. Where now shall you flee to, little bird and dear Rose? As soon as the Lord sounded, they ran for their lives. They ran through the forest, their hearts beating fast, bird and Rose fleeing at last. They are transformed by magical powers, so they hide, like rose bush and rose side by side. The vengeful cook without a trace seeks them, but the children are gone, leaving no room. They become temple and altar, a safe place where they can be safe. Bird and rose together and fast. Bird and rose together and free, family ties unbreakable as they can be. Through danger and peril their love is the key. Bird and rose forever united. No matter the road, they will always be guided